Hi, I'm Blake Alexander, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 Module 1. So a little bit about me. I'm 32 years old. I've been married for 3 years. We have an 8-month-old son named Brooks. I also graduated from Kansas State University with a degree in elementary education. When I graduated, I went to Atchison County Community Schools. For my first year there, I was a Title I math instructor, and then I was a fourth grade teacher for 3 years. And then after that, I moved to Topeka, where I'm currently at, and I work for USD 501. I work at State Street Elementary School. I teach pre-K through 5th grade physical education. Along with teaching, I'm also the defensive coordinator for the Topeka High football team, and I also coach track for Topeka High. So why am I seeking this degree? I'm seeking a degree in administration. The main reason is just to advance my career. So I have the options to go and be a leader in my building. Along with, becoming an administrator someday. Just getting my master's alone will help, move me up on the pay scale. It will make it so that it's easier to renew my license, and I already have all those classes taken. And at the same time, I also enjoy being a leader. I also enjoy helping people to get the best out of them, and being an administrator puts you in a great position to do that. So next is, how does your background support your degree selection? So I have experiences as a classroom teacher and also as a physical education teacher in the elementary school. And then I have experiences, working at a high school as a football coach and track coach. I've been a head football coach before. And, all those positions provide a lot of leadership roles to become an administrator. And then what are my strengths and weaknesses? I feel like some of my strengths are that I have some experience with school financing. From being a head coach, I had to do things like fundraising. We had to order equipment. We had to work with our athletic budget. So that's some of the things that I got to do that helped me learn a lot about school financing, because I did not know a lot about it before I got into it. And then also through teaching, as far as ordering equipment and things like that, I've had some experience with finance. My biggest weakness is probably that I've never been on the other side of that. I've never been on the side behind the book that's managing these things or putting them into accounts and things like that. So I feel like there's a ton that I still need to learn. And I hope that this class is a great way for me to, start to learn those things. And that's my video. Thanks for watching.